Hey guys, so we are here in Sitges, and I hope that you enjoyed the vlog from yesterday. It was such a beautiful day out yesterday, and it's a beautiful day today, but we are leaving this Airbnb because it wasn't available, and we're really sad about it, but this is probably our favorite Airbnb we've stayed at since we've been here in Spain. This was the little backyard area. So much sun out here, and the tree, it's so pretty. It was such a nice place. So we have to hurry up and check out, and then we're gonna go to Mataro, which is another seaside town, but north of Barcelona. So we have a little journey ahead of us right now. But we're gonna show you the inside, and it was so amazing. But this was the backyard. So this is really a cool space to come sit out and eat. We did take advantage of it the way we should have, but hindsight. But so let's go inside and show you the inside.
Yeah.
So the back area leads, like when you come up, it leads straight into the bedroom. So this is a cute little studio. So this bed, oh my gosh. You can ask Brandon, right? The bed was so amazing.
Mm-hmm.
The bed, the pillows, it was all like this Tempur-Pedic, I guess. But like you melt, literally. You're imprinted on the bed. It's so amazing. But it caught us because there were some days we were like, do we want to leave the apartment? So that was good. Big TV, aircon, cute little area to sit, watch TV. The lamps, the ambiance in here was just amazing. Oh my gosh. And the light fixture, like we felt like we were in like an artist's home. It was so pretty. And the mirror was amazing too. So that was good. The kitchen, look how pretty. We had a dishwasher. We had a full, like everything. The plates, cups, wine glasses, all of that was for us. I mean, here, spices and stuff like that. So this kitchen was amazing. The cooktop was so great. It was so, so great to use. We loved that. And an oven. That seems to be a standard in most apartments that we found. And then we had a full fridge. So that was nice. Oh, and a microwave. So, and the lighting, let's turn this off since we're leaving, was so great in here. The ambiance, again, that lamp. And we had a little dining table. And then this window brought in a lot of light too. And then the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. A really big shower, bidet again. And another one of these cool towel drying racks. We've actually learned to really, really love these. At first I was like, really? But it's so helpful. We love, love, love it. Double sink, we only used one. Of course. It's just how we roll. So that was that. That was the bathroom. And then this is where we came in. So we're actually going to check out. Well, we have 15 minutes. Should we run out and show them outside, or should we actually like leave and bring out everything?
Either or. We'll show you guys.
Yeah, let's we're gonna, cause I'm also hungry, so we're gonna get our stuff, roll it out, and we'll show you just how close this Airbnb was to the beach. So this was $482 for the week, and honestly, it was worth every bit of $482 for the week. It should have been more, and we'll show you guys. When we're laying here at night, we can literally hear the ocean, and it just puts you to sleep. It's so beautiful. All right, so we're gonna gather everything up, and then we're gonna head out and show you just how close we were to the beach. So but this place was so amazing. Oh my gosh. And I don't know if you guys know, in the description box below, we have an Airbnb code. So if you've never booked an Airbnb, you can get a discounted code on your next stay. So if you're ever in Spain, check it out. Or in Thailand. We have a whole bunch of Airbnbs from Thailand too. But all right, guys, so we're going to pack it up and then we're going to show you outside. So we'll catch you outside. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You're with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. We checked out and we're going to show you why we love this place so much. Literally just a few steps away is the ocean. So let's show you. Let's go and live the good life tonight. We're gonna live the good life. Alright. Like, look at this, you guys. Literally steps away. And if you watched our vlog from yesterday, you'll see, you know, what all of that is about. But look how beautiful. All right, we're gonna go back, get our stuff. A car's coming. Let's come back this way. So we're gonna go back, get our stuff, and we're gonna head 2 hours north to Mataro. So we'll be able to show you that cute little seaside town too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and check the description box if you want, you know, a code for amount off. I think it's $35 off Airbnb. So check it out. We're gonna rush, go, and we will catch you guys on the north side. I know I finally found you, girl. I found you, girl.